Right now, anyone can build functional software. Using AI coding tools like Cursor, a plain English sentence turns into working code in seconds. You type a simple text prompt, hit enter on an app builder, and you have a deployable app. That exact same logic now applies to media production. The barrier to entry for creating a fully automated, faceless YouTube channel has dropped to zero. But scaling your video output quickly is only half the equation. The real test is navigating YouTube's 2025 monetization policies without getting flagged. This system takes video production out of the editing suite and turns it into an efficient, prompt-driven assembly line. Step 1 starts with picking your specific niche and opening an AI text generator like ChatGPT or Claude to write your script. If you ask the AI for a simple, dry summary of a topic, you will generate what the platform considers AI slop. Uploading that guarantees immediate demonetization. To meet requirements, you must explicitly structure your prompts. Command the AI to include personal analysis and unique commentary in every script. Once you have a script packed with actual value, you move to the audio phase by pasting that text into a specialized voice engine. You cannot rely on default settings. Adjust the emotion and pacing sliders to break up rigid, robotic cadences that trigger platform penalties. These micro variations mimic human breathing and introduce emotional pauses needed to retain viewer interest. Securing an engaging, emotionally varied audio track is your absolute baseline. Without it, you lose viewer trust before the video even starts. Now that we have our script and voiceover, step 2 is visual assembly. You'll import those approved assets into an all-in-one generator like Shorts Ninja or NVIDIA AI. Instead of manually hunting for footage, the timeline automation scans your audio context and instantly pulls relevant B-roll clips to match the narrative. It layers kinetic typography and background music, syncing every visual element precisely to your spoken words. A traditional manual edit of this scale would demand at least 5 hours of work. This automated workflow handles it in roughly 5 minutes. The resulting fast, rhythmic cuts are designed specifically to keep the viewer visually locked in from start to finish. These assembly tools move beyond simple media compilation, mathematically engineering visual retention at a speed impossible for human editors. With the video assembled, the final step is exporting the file and logging into your YouTube Studio dashboard for upload. This brings us to the most dangerous failure point in the process: YouTube's July 2025 inauthentic content policy update. The platform actively penalizes mass-produced, repetitive content that lacks human context or original insight. During the upload sequence, you must actively check this box disclosing synthetic content. Skipping this toggle guarantees a channel strike. This chart outlines exactly how YouTube sorts your uploads. Safe videos use original storytelling and dynamic edits, while high-risk videos rely on static slides and robotic voices. Falling into this category leads to immediate demonetization, effectively stripping the revenue from your entire production. Algorithmic compliance is just as critical as your content quality. If you failed the disclosure test, your production work goes to waste. This process results in a fully published, high-quality faceless video that meets the platform's standards for original value. By compressing a 5-hour process into 5 minutes, a solo creator can comfortably post 3 to 5 highly polished videos every single week. Consistency, paired with strict adherence to adding real value in your scripts, drives the success of an automated channel. To master more automated workflows and scale your content production, subscribe to AI and Gen Z.